Hey guys, so I'm gonna be playing this parkour server on Roblox. We're gonna see like basically how far that I can get, and I'm actually pretty excited to be playing this. So let's just see how far we can get. So when you get in, it just basically says parkour, super parkour. There was like 100 people playing this. It was the most popular one. So I thought I may just do it. There's 610 stages. So I don't think I'm gonna get through all of it, but let's just try and see how far we can get through. And okay, so it's just, sorry my phone's beeping, but okay. Okay, so we got through our first obstacle. I've played this like once before. This is my second time today. I don't get how people don't like parkour. It's so fun. Oh jeez. Okay, first fall of the day. Alright, what's next? Wait, what? I wasn't just here. Was that a glitch or something? Did it just glitch me ahead? Well, I guess I'll just keep going then, because I was like all the way back there. Okay. I haven't gotten to this one yet, because I was only playing for a quick period of time, but then my friend on Roblox wanted me to play something else, because they didn't like parkour. But parkour is so fun! Okay. Is it just me or does these kind of look like butts? Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. I'm actually getting pretty far on this. This parkour is actually pretty easy. Okay. Ooh, oh no. Oh no. I'm so nervous. Okay. Okay. I've only had one kill. Does it say what stage we're on? Anywhere around here? Alright. Okay. Wait. Out. Am I supposed to get through this? Okay. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Okay. Ugh! 2 deaths. This is gonna be like the one that takes me out. Alright. Oh, I didn't know that there was no floor, so let's just not count that as for a death and just cover that up. Oh jeez, that was a close one. Okay, that's 3 deaths. This is gonna be the one that definitely takes me out. I'm really bad at like mazes and stuff like this on PCs. Okay, guys, so this was kind of a little quick Roblox introduction video for y'all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this content, and my next Roblox video, stay tuned for my next Roblox video and just my next video in general. Also stay tuned for the little thing that me and Yara are doing. So yeah, go check out Yara's channel too. She is my friend, and yeah, I can't wait to film my next Roblox video because I'm gonna film it with my friend. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!